Hey guys, and welcome to this video. As you can see, we're back where we always are, so you know what this means. We got a new product for you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out right here in the trunk. Today we'll do it a little bit different. We start with an unboxing for you to check out exactly what we got inside here. So this is our trunk lighting. You can see it installed right here. And it comes in this beautiful packaging. And in this packaging, you get a bunch of different products. So let's open this up. All right, so as you can see, this product mainly consists of two main parts. On the one hand, we got our light with the light switch. And what makes this light special is that it works with USB-C. And now you might be thinking to yourself, but I don't have USB-C in my trunk. So that's where this 3-in-1 charger comes in handy. But we'll talk about this in a second. This light is for all Tesla Model Ys. You can see here that it matches perfectly all around the trunk of the Tesla, and it conveniently charges here in the back in the corner. Finally, we got this little thing right here. This is a part of the magnetic detection kit, which helps us see that your trunk is open or closed and automatically turn on the light for you. So you never need to first look for the light switch and get the light going in your Tesla trunk. Let's look at the game changer of this product, our 3-in-1 cigarette plug charger. As you can see, on the one hand, you got this 12-volt cigarette plug, but then on the outputs, you can see that we don't only have two USB-C plugs, but also a new cigarette plug. This setup allows you to not only use one accessory in your trunk. So if you, for example, already use something like a trunk fridge, like this, you will be able to use multiple accessories at once. But let's stop talking about it and let's just look at how it works. Let's go ahead and check the installation. As you can see already, the light is already installed, but we will run you through on how to exactly install it and show you how to get this light running as quickly as possible. And of course, it's very, very easy. So first, we will start with the magnetic detection kit. This one is very easy. You get this little knob and a little magnetic plate, which you will just put inside and put over the knob over here. That is all that you need to do. Then we go down here. You see under the seam of your trunk, right next to the part where this little knob would connect, you will put the little detection thingy. We can just easily wire the cable under the seam and bring it right here. So the magnet can detect. And then we bring the cabling to the center of the whole setup, which is, of course, the cigarette plug. As you can see, we just have the plug here with the USB-C cable connected. And then we, for our taste, put the remote underneath. The remote can easily be stuck wherever you like it using Velcro. And in our case, we just put it right below the cigarette plug. For the light strip, we usually orient around the floor liners, and we go like 1 to 2 fingers above. And then from here, you just simply put the light strip underneath the seam of your Tesla trunk. With that, you go all the way around until you make it to the other side of your Tesla. And just like that, the light is basically already ready. Let's look at the cigarette plug one more time. As you can see, the light is connected here with the USB-C. And the benefit of that is that not only do we have one more USB-C slot that you can use for charging any of your accessories or maybe your phone or whatever you need, but also we still have the cigarette plug available. So if you have products like, for example, our foldable scooter or our fridge, then you can use these products at the same time as you still use this trunk light. In summary, what do you get? Not only do you get a cool trunk light that helps you light up this very, very dark space of your Tesla, but you also get this 3-in-1 cigarette plug charger, which allows you to use this light while not compromising on any other accessories in the back. It comes with this cool magnetic detection system, which helps you to automatically turn on and off the light whenever you open and close the trunk. And if you ever want to keep on the light, even though you have your trunk closed, then that's also no problem. See, if we just imitate the trunk being closed right here with a long hold on the plus sign, the light of the trunk will easily turn on again. So if the dark Tesla trunk in a dark winter night is a pain in your ass too, then don't hesitate to check out the link in the description below and get our trunk light. So you don't need to look for things in your trunk endlessly using the flashlight of your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and as always, safe driving everyone. Bye bye.